good news, yes, the actual printer, I managed to get it working again. That's some of the, actually we'll go back to there. And meantime, there's a folder that I've got for all the glider stuff. So the previous video, this is where it is right now. Snapmaker stuff, and actually those are all the actual programs. Like this is the main wing, for example, for like all the parts. So the main wing like this, I didn't do two different programs for each of the wings. I just did one that I just copy or just do 2 times basically. Which this one actually happens to be, anyway, so yes, I've got one of these. This has the Luban software, of course, and the new firmware, which is right here, and the article, which is right here, exactly. Just the article that explains how to do it. Pretty simple. Just load on USB key and plug it in, and then open it, or open the file on there, and then follow the instructions to update it, which actually a few of the anyways. So back to the main wing though. 3 inches. So yeah, 3 inches was the width, or I guess in the orientation of how the 3D printer or the Luban software takes that as height. Well, the H right here. Anyways, so yeah, luckily mine is 76 here millimeters. And if I look back here, 3 inches is 7.6 centimeter, but it's changed to millimeters. There you go, 76.2. So I'm in the clear, but not by much. Anyways, happy about that. The thickness, this is also a really important factor because determines how much I do on it, or like how much laser power is always at 100. I realize that now. Where's the page where the parameters? No, okay. Yeah, there you go. Okay, so plywood. I've got the 1.6 watts, or yeah, 1600 milliwatts laser, which does cut, which is good. So yeah, the thickness 2.2, which is actually it's in between actually 2.3. Yeah, so power is always 100. Vector, I guess that's pretty much the same. I explained that in the last video actually, but anyways, and yeah, I'll probably set the work speed to 120. Past depth, this is how much, like as it burns, like some of the, because that's what it does, laser, as it burns or cuts through some of the thickness of the wood. To keep it consistent, you have to, it's usually recommended for a deeper thickness, like these, to actually, like, for the actual, to actually go down every pass, it's recommended, or efficient for the laser module to actually move like downwards by, well, this is in millimeters, so 0.4 millimeters. Not by much, but it does a significant difference. Anyways, so yeah, I'll probably just set that to these right here, which actually I think I've done in the last video. I showed you, but there you go. Yeah, 120 number of passes. Yeah, this is set to 3. 3, there we go. 100. You actually set to more here, but actually this is maybe that part I didn't show you here. One, yeah, so you got it. 20. Yeah, that's good, I think. Yeah, okay, good. Yeah, there you go. And yeah, so now that that's done, this is the parent. Actually, this is one of the. I keep that around. It's a Snapmaker, how to use the 3D printing, or actually no, that was the how to update the previous one, but I realized the previous update was for updating the original Snapmaker, not the Snapmaker 2.0, so that's the other way. Anyways, yeah, so it was cool. I got the 3D printer to work, which I had, it was on my list for quite a while, actually ever since the break, but yeah, ever since the actual week-long break on Greek 11, I was like, during a meeting, I was like dead set to get that done, but never got around to do that because I was away part of the time, and I had other stuff to do, classes and stuff. Anyways, but now that I'm concentrating on actually I have to be done all this, or all the cutting part with 3D printer tomorrow. So I'm doing the main wing today, possibly a tail wing. The fuselage, we'll see. I'll have to modify some things because that's pretty thick. It's yeah, 3 inches, or an eighth of an inch actually, which is much thicker. There you go. Yeah, just to show you. Yeah, 3. That's like 3 millimeters. That's a lot. Like I'll probably have to go like 4 passes, maybe 5. I don't know. With yeah. So yeah, we'll see. If I get it right. If I get around to like changing some of the doing more tests and stuff. Oh, that's something else. Anyways, yeah. So yeah, I got the 3D printer to work. I'm really happy about that. Well, the winglets have been cut. Actually, yeah, it reminds me we should go take a look at these photos that I have here. That's the hole where the winglet is. And do I have a picture of the winglet? No, I don't. Okay. Well, anyways, you could see the other one actually in cut here. Anyways, yeah, the update actually, there goes the page and loading and stuff. The other stuff here was just me trying out. Actually, here I did a program where I just wrote my name and engraving on a piece of whatever, but we actually had it set to MDF or fiber. It's like wood, similar to wood settings, so it didn't actually work too well. I was trying to print a logo, but it didn't end up. Actually, that's what it's trying to print there, but in lines or dotted line, and I just can get. So yeah, these videos will be compiled in the last video. That I'll do some editing. Very interesting about that. Yeah, and yeah, that was when I cut the winglets. Anyways, that's all for this checkup, and I'll see you in the next video.